Right now we are doing May and Nancy's ribbon question using model drawing. Okay, let's read the question again. May and Nancy have a equal number of pieces of ribbon. They each have a mix of long and short ribbons. The length of each pieces of short ribbon is 40 cm. Each piece of long ribbon is 70 cm. May have 7 pieces of short ribbon and Nancy have 18 pieces of long ribbon. The total length of May ribbons was 2.4 meter longer than the total length of Nancy ribbon. How many pieces of ribbon does May have? Oh, sorry, just ignore the right side first. Somehow the animation, I think I forgot to let this disappear. Okay, so first thing we draw in the model. 7 short for May and 18 long for Nancy. And then there will still be some long one for May and also short one. Now, of course, they are supposed to be equal in number but not equal in length. So this one actually represents the length. So there's a gap that I left here. This gap is supposed to be 2.4 meter or otherwise 240 cm. Okay, so now I want you to focus on only the yellow color part, these two, the L and the S. If we just take a look at this, uh, okay, before we look at the yellow color part, let's calculate some numbers first. 7 short one is 40. So 7 of them, this will be 280 cm. And 18 long one, that will be 18 times 70, 1260 cm. So this is this and this is this. And we want to first find the initial difference. What is this 980? 1260 minus 980. What does this 980 represent? 980 is this section from here to here. This is 980. Okay, I think this part no issue for you. Then you notice long, the L is this, and then the short one is this. If we want to find this section, you can just take the difference between L and S, the total difference between long, all the long in May and all the short in Nancy. We just take 980 plus 240 cm, and that will give you 1220 cm. Okay, next we need to look into details the yellow part, the long and the short ribbon, the yellow ribbon that we do not know how much there is. So I'm going to cut up the long ribbon. Now, why does it look like this? Because one long ribbon is actually 70 cm, which is 30 cm longer than a short ribbon. So I'm just going to put it this way. You see, if the purple color is no, if this is the long ribbon, no, I'm just going to cut it. Okay, this whole thing here is 70. This is one long ribbon. So I'm going to cut it into two pieces. If I cut it into two pieces, you will have one purple section and one blue color section. This is the difference. So the purple color section is actually the same length as the short ribbon, which is 40. So there should be an equal number of long and short. Whatever number there is, I'm just going to pack them together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stack them together like this. So one here, one. And then there will be the equal number of this that is remaining. That means all the 30, all the second. Because one long you cut, you have one purple and one blue. So that's what's going to be. So it's not 3. I'm just drawing roughly. So I leave a gap here to show that actually this is not yet. It's a number that we don't know. Okay, and beside this, we will have 11 more long pieces. Why? Because again, there should be 11 more pieces of L and S because May and Nancy have an equal number of pieces of ribbon. Since Nancy have 18 long and May have 7 piece short, so Nancy has 18 long more, 11 more long than short of May. Then the reverse will be for this part that we don't know. That means May must have 11 more long than short. So that's why this part here, 11 more long one compared to May. Okay, so 1220 cm minus 770. Why? Because the animation is not in sequence. 11 long one long one is 70. So 11 times 70 will give me 770 cm. So the 11 long ribbon that we have, this part is extra, so called a bit extra, is 770 cm. Then this portion will be 450. Why? Because 1220 is, if you look at how it is, we are now putting this L and S side by side. So now it looks like this. So one part is 770, this part is 70. This part here must be 450 because we already found the total difference between L and S, which is 1220. So if I take 1220 minus 770, this will give me this 450. And then this part 450, this part is entirely made up of this blue color difference. Okay, 30. So I just divide by 30 to find out how many of them is exactly here. And as expected is more than 3, so it's 15. That means I can expect 15 of these times 15. I can expect 15 of this blue color section here. Okay, that means effectively I have effectively may have 15 short ribbon. So if the question asks for how many pieces of ribbon does May have, I take 15 short plus 11 long. 11 long was given by the system. So 15 plus 11 equal 26 long ribbon. This method is model drawing it so that you can visualize, but you can tell that actually it's still not that easy. But it's very time consuming. It might be easier to visualize for some students, but it's very time consuming. So, which is why I actually prefer gap and difference. But if you do not understand, then this is another possibility that you can use to actually solve this problem. Oh, sorry, I haven't finished it. There's only 26 long ribbon. This is only for the long part. Why is it 26 long? Because 15 blue comes from where? Come from a combination of 15 purple. So add them together, they will be 15 long and 11 long. So total 26 long ribbon for me. Add the 7 short one here. So May will total have 33 total ribbon in total.